Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're exploring a powerhouse in the kitchen, the Vitamix Explorian Series E310 blender, paired with the Aer Disc Container Bundle. If you've been on the hunt for a high-performance blender that can handle everything from silky smooth purees to chunky soups, and even elevate your cocktail game, you're in the right place. This isn't just any blender. It's a tool built to refine textures and enhance your culinary creativity. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Vitamix Explorian E310 is designed with versatility in mind, featuring a 48-ounce container that offers a generous capacity for all your blending needs. One of the standout features is the 10 variable speeds, giving you precise control over the texture of your blends. Whether you're aiming for a smooth puree or a hearty soup, this blender promises to handle it all with ease. For those moments when you need a bit more texture, the Pulse feature is there to layer in coarse chops, creating perfect chunky pasta sauces or thick vegetable soups. But this isn't just about making meals. The E310 is also equipped with a 2-horsepower motor that can take on tough ingredients without breaking a sweat. It's powerful enough to crush ice, blend fibrous veggies, and even process frozen fruits, all while maintaining a smooth consistency. Whether you're crafting smoothies or experimenting with homemade nut butter, this motor ensures you get the job done without a hitch. Now let's talk about something that I'm sure you'll appreciate: cleaning. Yes, cleaning. With just a drop of dish soap and some warm water, the Vitamix E310 can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. No disassembly required. This is a big deal when you're using your blender regularly and don't want to spend time taking it apart or scrubbing every crevice. The simplicity of this feature is a real time saver and makes upkeep effortless. But here's the real twist. This bundle includes the Aer Disc Container, which is a game changer for those of you who love crafting cocktails. It's not just any container. It acts like a muddler and cocktail shaker, extracting essential oils and juice while chilling your drinks without crushing the ice. If you've ever wanted to create a handcrafted cocktail in a fraction of the time it would take by traditional means, this Aer Disc container makes it possible. Imagine making margaritas, mojitos, or even craft cocktails with a smooth, chilled finish, all with ease. Beyond cocktails, the Aer Disc container also excels at creating consistently creamy emulsions, light culinary foams, and stiff whipped creams. If you're into experimenting with different textures, this container will partially crush fresh fruits, veggies, or herbs, adding an extra burst of flavor to your creations. It's a fun, innovative way to elevate your dishes and drinks, all while maintaining precision in texture. As far as real-world use goes, setting up the Vitamix E310 is as straightforward as it gets. The instructions are clear, and the blender itself is intuitive. You can easily switch between speeds and use the Pulse feature for quick bursts of power when needed. I tried blending a variety of ingredients, from frozen berries for smoothies to hard carrots for a soup base, and the blender performed flawlessly. It really does tackle tough ingredients like a pro, leaving no lumps behind. Now let's break down the pros and cons of the Vitamix E310. On the plus side, the high-performance motor is a major strength. It effortlessly blends tough ingredients, and the range of speeds gives you total control over the consistency. The Aer Disc container adds a whole new level of versatility, making it perfect for both culinary and cocktail enthusiasts. Another standout feature is the self-cleaning function. This alone saves so much time. However, no product is perfect. One potential drawback is the size of the blender. The 48-ounce container is great for most home cooking, but if you regularly make larger batches, you may find it a bit limiting. The Vitamix E310 also comes with a premium price tag. While you're definitely paying for performance and longevity, it's not the most budget-friendly option out there. That said, you're investing in quality, and for many, the price is justified by the reliability and features. When it comes to value for money, the Vitamix E310 offers solid performance, but it's important to compare it with other options in the market. For instance, a comparable blender like the Ninja Professional might come at a lower price, but it doesn't quite match the E310's motor power or versatility in texture control. If you're someone who blends frequently and appreciates precision, the Vitamix could be a better investment for the long term. However, if you're just looking for a blender for occasional use, there are definitely cheaper alternatives that might fit your needs. In terms of build quality, the Vitamix E310 is solid. It feels sturdy with a design that prioritizes both function and durability. The motor is reliable, and while it's not the quietest blender on the market, it's far from the loudest either. The materials feel premium, and Vitamix is a brand known for its longevity. This product should last you for years with proper care. As for customer support, Vitamix is known for providing good service. I didn't need to reach out for support personally, but the brand has a strong reputation for being responsive and helpful when needed. They also offer a 7-year warranty, which is a nice reassurance that they stand behind their product. There's no mention of any significant software or firmware updates for the Vitamix E310, which is typical for a blender. This product's performance is consistent right out of the box, and updates aren't relevant in this case. To wrap it up, the Vitamix Explorian E310 blender with the Aer Disc Container is a fantastic all-around tool for anyone serious about their kitchen appliances. Whether you're a smoothie lover, a soup enthusiast, or a cocktail crafter, this blender delivers powerful performance with a wide range of textures and uses. While it comes at a premium price, you're definitely paying for quality and versatility. The Aer Disc Container adds an exciting layer of functionality, especially for those who like to mix up drinks with precision and style. If you're someone who blends regularly and appreciates top-notch performance, this blender is a solid choice. If you're on the fence due to the price, there are alternatives, but none quite match the overall quality and versatility of the Vitamix E310. Thanks for watching. If you're thinking about grabbing the Vitamix Explorian E310, check out the link in the comments box. Let us know if you've used this blender before, or if you're curious about how it compares to other blenders. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews. Until next time, keep blending, and I'll catch you in the next one.